Number 3, on a street with 7 houses, 2 houses are blue. If a house from the street is selected at random, what is the probability of selecting a house that is blue? When we're talking about probability, we're talking about similar to percentages. We're talking about part out of the whole, or the total number of chances, and like the limited number of chances. And here's what I mean by that. We're looking at what are all the possibilities, and then the one possibility we're talking about, the select possibility. So here, the total, the whole, is there are 7 houses. And we want to know what are the chances of selecting a house that is blue. So what you're going to do is that limited number out of the total number. So how many houses are blue? That limited section, that limited number out of that huge, huge neighborhood of 7 houses. How many are there that are blue? There are 2. So since the total number of houses is 7, our chances, our probability of selecting a house that is blue is 2 in 7. This kind of problem, just really be careful. Read it very, very carefully. Because this one, where you're not having to do a lot of math, really, you're just having to read and answer the question. Really easy to misread it. So like, let's say it just as easily could have said here, isn't blue. What's the probability of selecting a house that isn't blue? And you're like, oh, is blue 2 out of 7. And you're like, oh, they wanted isn't blue. 5 houses are not blue out of 7, 5/7. You know, that's the kind of thing they love to get people on. So just read these very carefully. But in this case, it is, as it appears to be, 2 houses are blue out of 7 houses total. 2 out of 7, or 2/7. That is my answer, B. Hey guys, head over to my new site, mathwithalyssa.com, to get your free, yes, free 10-video course of SAT tips and tricks. It covers things like how to make a study plan that's perfect for you, how to pace yourself during the test to get maximum points, and so much more. I'm super excited to get this out to you guys, and a lot more SAT prep help is coming for you in the weeks ahead. Again, that is mathwithalyssa.com. And if you liked the video you just watched, please let YouTube know. Comment, like, share, subscribe. You know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later. Bye.